Hi guys, my name is Parker and I'm going to be the host of the Propellerheads Photo YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to demonstrate the technology that we have at our disposal today through multicopters, RC flight, cameras, video, modern media production techniques. Most of it is going to be focused on drones, but we're going to bring in subject matter experts that do everything from laser scanners to movie cameras to still photo. I go way back in the drone world. I've been doing this commercially since the very first people that were doing it. And now that I'm using some more advanced technology, I have a little more time on my hands. I'm not building as much, I'm just using it. So now I want to show you guys how you can use the technology to make amazing products. We're occasionally going to go behind the camera as well to my cinematographer, Sam. Say hi, Sam. He is going to be showing you techniques from the cinematography and editing and color correction and filmmaking perspective. I'm a drone guy, he's a camera guy. Together, the two of us are going to be able to show you how we do what we do. If you're new to the world of drones, ask us a question. Maybe we can help. If you are an experienced pilot and are just looking for new techniques, subscribe. If you're an expert in the community and you would like to share your story or share some of the information that you have with us so that we can get the word out, contact us. We'd be more than happy to help. Once again, thank you so much for watching the Propellerheads channel, and I cannot wait to share with you the things we're about to do. Good morning, San Diego. No. So, most importantly, you're going to use that, aren't you? God damn it.